Well, plain and simple, we cannot cure people without the coffee enema. We can't.
Yeah.
We cannot. Gerson lost his first few patients when he started, when he started juicing them too heavily. So not only are we sick from all the things that we mentioned about diet, right? But we're sick because we live in the most toxic environment that we've ever had on the planet, right? And so, first of all, when patients are coming in, they're coming in from years of toxicity from poor diet.
Mm-hmm.
They're coming in from years of toxicity from environmental exposure.
Yeah.
Now you put them on the Gerson therapy and you give them these juices. It detoxifies the body exponentially greater than normal. And as you're breaking down diseased tissue, that's generating toxicity. The tumors have a metabolism that are generating toxicity.
Yeah.
You must detoxify the human body, and you must do it quickly and powerfully.
Yeah.
And there is nothing, and I tell you, there is nothing more powerful to detoxify the human body than a coffee enema. And people are like, come on. That's ridiculous.
Right.
That's outrageous.
Right.
How can a stick in coffee up your rear end, no cream and sugar, how can that possibly be detoxifying to the human body? Let me explain.
It's fascinating. I can't wait.
Pure science.
Yes.
Your liver produces an enzyme called glutathione transferase. Glutathione transferase is the most potent detoxifying enzyme in the body, or one of them. The liver requires palmitic acid to produce glutathione transferase.
Okay.
Properly roasted organic coffee from a very specific bean is loaded with palmitic acid. And it has been scientifically demonstrated that when you do one coffee enema, the production of glutathione transferase by the liver goes up 600 to 700% greater than normal. 600 to 700%.
Amazing.
And our patients are getting 5 per day, sometimes more, if they're really, really toxic.
Yeah.
And so this is how you properly detoxify the human body. There is not a more powerful way. So the question is, well, if I stick it up my rear end, how is it getting to my liver? Well, right there are the hemorrhoidal veins, right? Hemorrhoids, right? So right there are the hemorrhoidal veins when it enters. The hemorrhoidal veins, they absorb the coffee in, and they carry the coffee to the portal vein.
Okay.
And the portal vein ends in the liver. It ends there. And so there you go. That's why if you drink a bottle of vodka, if you drink it, you're going to get really sick.
Yeah.
If you took a bottle of vodka rectally, you're dead in 30 minutes. Dumb people have done that, believe it or not.
Right. I mean, there's always, I guess thank goodness for them. I thought that was fascinating too, that that they found that because enemas were so common, 100 years ago, that was very traditional as a way to get better. I mean, that was, you show signs of a cold or the flu and your mother comes right out with it. I mean, that was very standard practice.
That's right.
During his time. And then during World War II, they were running out of medicine. And so they used the coffee and had a phenomenal effect on these soldiers that were in a lot of pain.
That's how Gerson came up with it. That's exactly right.
Yeah. I mean, I thought that was just, isn't that brilliant? I mean, this just, isn't it, I mean, kudos.